Fast radio bursts flash across the cosmos for milliseconds, and yet leave scientists buzzing with questions worldwide. The first repeating FRB from a distant dwarf galaxy shattered expectations and forced a new view on engines. Leading theories point to magnetars, while others wonder if starquakes or twisted magnetic fields ignite these brilliant hiccups. Researchers describe midnight data hunts and the adrenaline when a second burst confirms a stubborn, elusive source. FRBs show the universe keeps surprising us, and science slowly translates every tiny wink into a larger map of reality.